Jai Hind. I am Priya Tyagi from Chakradhari Shankanath News. One-way traffic. Those who fired at Owaisi's car were heard his anti-Hindu statements, says police. Asaduddin Owaisi's car was fired near UP's Meerut. Let's see, holes are visible. Asaduddin, being an MP in Parliament, he never respected his position as MP in Parliament. Every now and then he goes on creating himself as a Messiah of Muslims. As he says, he is against Hindutva, not Hindus. What does this type of hate speech means? This means he is a divider of Muslims and Hindus. He hates Hindutva. If he doesn't like Hindutva, then why he has to be an MP in Parliament of Hindustan? Why his grandfather organized an army of Rajakars to fight Hindustan army? By giving such type of speeches, he is telling the Muslims to follow Muslim guide Muslim differences. Could a Hindu leader would speak in the similar manner? Never. Owaisi's family and Owaisi's party AIMIM, where all the Bangladeshi intruders are a member, they are all allowed to destroy India and destroy Indians. This type of leader should be restricted from Parliament. Hindustan is based on live and let live. How long Hindus has to be quiet? Hindus don't have any intention of killing anyone. But Owaisi loves to poison the minds of Muslims. Recently in UP rally, very openly he said, targeting Hindus, what will happen to you once Yogi goes to Mutt and Modi goes to forest? What would have happened if a Hindu leader would have given such kind of speech? Question will arise, who will be answering it? Because of Owaisi's hate speeches, the car incident took place. Owaisi himself is responsible for the attack. Hope now Owaisi will control his tongue before giving hate speeches. Earlier also he had claimed that he would leave to Saudi Arabia with Takht-o-Taj and his Muslim brothers. Not to forget what he has said. He said, तुम्हारा क्या होगा हिंदुओं? हम मुसलमान तो तख्त-o-ताज लेकर सऊदी अरेबिया चले जाएंगे. At that point of time, Suleiman of Saudi Arabia has clearly stated that Hindustan, Pakistan or Bangladeshi Muslims are not Muslims. They are converted from Hindus at the time of Mughal with the fear of sword. Suleiman of Saudi Arabia had said, you have got a place in Parliament, you are a member of Parliament, you have got all the forgiveness from Indians, yet you are backbiting species. We don't need a person like you, anti-national. We don't need a Desdrohi Gaddar like you in our country. How come you have forgotten Asaduddin Owaisi? Surprising, being so much lashed out, still you don't want to stop being a hate speaker. Once Akbaruddin Owaisi said 25 crore Muslims need just 15 minutes without police. So Hindus, who is more powerful? And we finished off 100 crores Hindus in 15 minutes. This Owaisi and his family and his party AIMIM has got only one agenda, to finish Hindus. To finish Hindus in Hindustan. Top of that, they give one warning to spread anarchy. FIR against AIMIM leader Waris Pathan, over 15 crore Muslims finishing off 100 crore Hindus. An FIR was registered with Kalaburgi police station against AIMIM leader Waris Pathan for his comment in which he said that 15 crore Muslims can dominate 100 crore Hindus. This Owaisi family and his AIMI team members with all the Bangladeshi intruders, they have got only one agenda, to finish Hindus in Hindustan. With that agenda, they are stuck in one-way traffic. They can't think of, apart from that they will spread hate and Hindus will never react. This misunderstanding is coming to an end. 1946, direct action by Jinnah. Indians and Indians have not forgotten. Indians have not forgotten Rajakar army, which was formed by Mr. Rizvi, the grandfather of Asaduddin Owaisi. Naturally, reaction will come up. Today's incident has come up because of Akbaruddin, Asaduddin and Waris Pathan hate speech of finishing of Hindus, which is not acceptable to anyone anymore. अनाकी फैल जाएगा. His intention so clearly Owaisi mentions in his interview. He is coaxing for a civil war in India, like direct action of 1946 of Jinnah. Don't forget Owaisi. We are not in 1946 now. We are in 21st century. No Rajakar army can be formed. You better control your tongue and your brother's tongue and Bangladeshi intruder like Waris Pathan. Stop being a hate spreader. Stop being an anti-Hindu, anti-Indian, anti-national. We will meet in next video soon. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.